Updating your personal information on eToro is essential for maintaining accurate account details. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eToro.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Personal Information or similar. Click on this option to view your current details. Step 4. Update your information. Edit the fields you wish to update, such as your name, address, or phone number. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches your official documents. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. Make sure to regularly check and update your personal information as needed to keep your account secure and compliant.